Let's get to breaking news that's coming in. There's been a huge controversy over BJP MP and actor Kangana Ranaut's comments on the farmers' protest, comparing it to the Bangladesh stir. And while there's been a slew of reactions that have come in on this, interestingly, the BJP has now reacted, distancing itself from Kangana's remarks. In fact, the BJP in a statement has said that instructions have gone across to Kangana Ranaut that she is not authorized to make a statement on behalf of the party. They've also very categorically said that her comment is not something the party agrees with. Her statement is not the party's statement. She's been instructed not to give baseless statements on every single issue. The BJP maintaining that we stand for Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. And this is a message that's gone across to Kangana Ranaut after she compared the farmers' protest to the Bangladesh stir, saying that a crackdown by the government ensured that we didn't reach what Bangladesh has reached to right now. Piyush Mishra is joining us live with more details. So on this, Piyush, the BJP cracking down on Kangana, knowing full well the repercussions of the kind of comment that she's made, particularly in a state like Haryana that's going to polls very soon.
Well, certainly, Akshita, and looking at the upcoming assembly polls in Haryana, the BJP has now instructed Kangana not to make such statements because these are not party's views, and the party do not agree with what Kangana Ranaut has said. In fact, she has been strictly instructed that she doesn't need to make any such statements. In the future, the party has also stressed about the fact that the party believes in Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Prayas and Sabka Vishwas. Remember that Kangana Ranaut in an interview had put in massive controversy. She had claimed that Bangladesh-like situation could have taken place in India during the farmers' protests had the central leadership not intervened in this. Following which, a massive reaction had poured in where various opposition political parties and also farmers groups they had criticized this statement of Kangana Ranaut. In fact, BJP's own leaders from the state of Punjab had slammed Kangana Ranaut for this. But now BJP has officially released a statement where it has made it very clear that Kangana Ranaut is not authorized to speak on the behalf of party. Moreover, she has been instructed not to make such statements in future. And party distances itself from Kangana Ranaut's statement. Party has also made it very clear that it believes in Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas.
Okay, Piyush, thanks very much for joining us with those details. Attempts by BJP of damage control there after Kangana Ranaut's controversial comments, likening the farmers' protest to the stir in Bangladesh. The BJP saying this is not the party's view.